This is Edwin Kwan reporting from Auckland, New Zealand. Google has started rolling out passkey support for Google accounts across all services and platforms. Users using passkey will be able to sign into their Google accounts without needing to enter a password or using two-step verification. The passkeys are linked to each of the user's devices and works locally by unlocking user PIN or using the screen lock biometrics. This is a more secure and convenient alternative to passwords and significantly decreases the risk of data breaches and protects against phishing.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.